Hello, good afternoon. Okay, I'm going to try and do it quick. I've done this once already. This is your Lumi Spa. Congratulations. I'm going to show you how to use it and to look after it properly. This is waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. And the only thing is, make sure it's dry before you put it in the base. I only have to charge mine once a week when the light is low. Ooh, see that light? It's really low, so that means I know I have to charge it. But I make sure that if I'm keeping it in my base, every time I put it in, I dry it off first, because there is electric little nodes there, and so you don't want to get those wet. Okay, another little thing is that this light will indicate it's 2 minutes, and so it'll pause every 30 seconds when you move to the next section of your face. So I have 1/4, second half, bottom half, and fourth, so the fourth side. So make sure your face is really wet. So if you're in the shower, fine. Or if you're washing your face in the sink, that's great too. And then I put my cleanser, I have different ones here to show you. I put my cleanser right on the device, and I put about a quarter size amount, and I do the 4 sections, and I turn it on. So go really slow. If you go too fast, it'll pause, and so you just want to go really slow. And you want to move in an outward direction because you have lymphatic drainage points all over the side of your hairline. So every time 30 seconds goes by, it'll pause. But just move slowly, and you should see these track lines as you go. That's how you know your face is thoroughly wet. And then you can do your chin section and your lips. Don't eat it. And you can do your nose. So this is section 2 that I usually do. And then when it pauses again, then I'll move to the other side. So always move in this outward motion slowly. I'm going way too fast. You have to be patient. So always go slowly. And then you can do your forehead too. I'm going faster through because in the interest of time, I want to make sure you guys watch this video to the end. So again, you want to move to the outward direction of your hairline, and you can lift as well. I don't know if you can see that. You can lift your eyebrow as well. So this helps with cellular renewal, with collagen production, with pore size, with exfoliating the skin, and it does so many great things. When you want to take it off to clean it, this is waterproof, so I usually take this head off and I rinse it under warm water to make sure that it's thoroughly clean. And then I think that's everything that I wanted to tell you. So have a great day. Enjoy your Lumi Spa. Oh, there's different cleansers depending on your skin type. There's 5 different kinds. There's oily, there's a dry, there's a blemish prone for acne. It's amazing. There's a sensitive skin type and also a normal combination. So wash your face after you're done, dry it, use your normal skincare regime, and I hope you have a good day. Take a before after picture. Okay, bye.